Hi, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alfred, and I'm based here in Stockholm. I'm a senior software engineer, and my experience include working with various technologies on the front end and on the back end, right? And I have experience working with identity solutions, and I want to talk about Keycloak in this series. When I first started, I found it a bit challenging working with Keycloak because the documentation isn't detailed enough. And secondly, there isn't many helpful videos available, right? So I'm doing this so that developers can make the most out of Keycloak. And I'm going to be, first of all, delving into first how to install Keycloak using the binary, using Docker images, using Hemchat, right? And then I'm also going to talk about how to customize the interface. So like how to create custom teams. I'm going to talk about how to also create custom providers on Keycloak, just to mention a few, how to integrate with other login providers like Facebook, Gmail, and the others, right? Just to mention a few. And yeah, I mean, there's more to come. So make sure to hit on the subscribe button and click the like button and stay tuned for more content like this in the future. See you in the next video.